What's up, y'all? So today's video I am going to demo the Huda Beauty foundation, the concealer, and the setting powder. I was looking on like YouTube and I realized that there's like no like updated tutorials or reviews for that matter. Not that the formula has changed, honestly I really don't know, but I just wanted to give y'all something a little updated. So yeah, so the shades that I'm using, I will be using the Huda foundation. This one's in the shade Chocolate Mousse or 450G. For concealer, we're gonna use the shade Caramel Corn. And then for setting powder, I have Blondie, which seemed like the universal shade for my skin tone, I guess. Okay, so first we're gonna get into primer. Okay, so today I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer, and this is the NYX Pore Filler. Let's see if we can get that to focus. This is what the primer looks like. So now we're gonna use the NYX Pore Filler. I like to use this on my nose and under my eyes because I like it to look hella smooth. Okay. Foundation. So yeah, like I said in the beginning, this is the shade Chocolate Mousse. Honestly, the shade ranges, let me just be honest with you because yeah, it was a struggle. I bought like 3 different foundations because none of them matched, and this is the closest color that I could get to my skin tone, and I was I mean, not that I was disappointed, but it's like, should it really be that hard? I think it's the fact that the product descriptions for the foundations are like super off. And so are the pictures online. Like, in brown skin, like, it's hard to find matching foundations with this. Y'all, this one was it. And just press it into my skin to make sure everything's blended together. So this foundation, I would say is like a soft matte finish. It's definitely full coverage, so you don't need a lot. So I would recommend starting with a little and then kind of like going back into areas where you feel like you need more foundation. But I wouldn't start off with a lot of foundation because you really don't need it. The concealer shade that I'm using is going to be Caramel Corn or 22N. I also have peanut butter, but peanut butter is it's a little too dark. Again, I bought it online. But yeah, Caramel Corn is like perfect for what I be trying to do, you know. So I just put a little bit. Again, this is also full coverage, like. So I just put it right here. I don't use a lot. I know it might look like a lot, but it's like the way that the squeeze tube, I don't know if y'all can see the squeeze tube. So it kind of just like glides on, which is like, honestly for me, like I love it because I feel like it helps spread the product without using too much product. I like to blend my concealer with a brush. And I just use patting motions to blend it in. But yeah, this is, like I said, this is the shade Caramel Corn. So bomb. But yeah, the concealer I would also say is like a soft matte as well. It does dry fast, but the coverage is amazing. Okay, so now that our concealer is on, I'm gonna go ahead and just blend this all together. And I'm also gonna take my foundation brush too, and I'm gonna go over just the edges. This brush I'm using is a Morphe brush. It's a M530. I honestly don't know what the actual use of this brush is, but I love to use it for cream contouring. It just blends it out so nicely. I'm gonna go back in, just blend it all together. Hey, we looking real cute, whatever. Honestly, I really think that this foundation is my like, I'm not gonna say my favorite foundation because I actually like, I have a favorite, but this is definitely top 5, or I would say top 3. This is like my top 3. It doesn't oxidize, which is great, okay, which is amazing because again, brown skin girls, we struggle finding foundation. Like, everything wants to oxidize. The product description isn't what it is when you buy it, and you get home and try it on and it's like, what the? But yeah, honestly, I would highly recommend drop buying this foundation if you're considering. It's definitely worth the money. So now we're gonna move on to setting powder, my favorite part. I love setting powder. So again, this is the shade Blondie, okay, by Huda Beauty. Okay, so this is Blondie. Here she is. And I don't know if y'all could really tell on camera, but she has like kind of a yellow undertone, but it's not a banana powder. It has like that yellow peachy undertone, which is perfect. At least for me, I love it. I'm gonna take it on my beauty blender. And I don't bake, so I just press it into my skin. Okay, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and powder contour or bronzer, whatever you want to call it. I'm actually using the same brush too that I used for my cream. I just love this brush, okay? Okay, so now I'm just gonna do my lips. I'm using MAC Chestnut Lip Pencil, and this is an Anastasia lip gloss in the shade Nude, N-O-O-D. Super cute. Okay, and then for setting spray, I'm just gonna use the Kat Von D. This is the Lock-It setting spray. Fire. So the way that I like to apply my setting spray, I do all over my face, and then I spray my beauty blender, and then I press it into my skin. Okay, so yeah, so this is it. I just wanted to come on here because, like I said, it's been a minute since I've actually seen someone post like a review on these products, so I thought, why not? So yeah, so I hope y'all like it. Again, I love this foundation. It is a soft matte foundation. It does not oxidize. It is not drying, okay? The only thing is that if you're gonna order online, be very careful. I would say if you feel like you found your shade, maybe buy the next shade up, because those descriptions online are not accurate. I'm pretty sure I did. I bought 3 before I found my actual shade, okay? So just do your research on the shades that you think that you would be. I would say the concealers are pretty accurate, but the foundations is where it gets a little suspect. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video.